What do we all want? We want an easy way to make money online without having to spend a ton of time, money, and effort to do so. So what I've done is I've gathered together the 3 easiest ways that literally anyone can make money online, whether they are just getting started, whether you have a 9-to-5, whether you're looking for a side hustle, it doesn't matter. What I'm going to walk you through means you'll have an easy, simple way to make money without having to spend a ton of money on ads, without having to create a ton of content yourself. And the best thing is you can do it on your own time whenever you want. So get ready for the easiest, laziest, most way that you can actually make a real living online. And just so you know that I'm not messing with you, I've been making money online my entire working career, actually since I was 12 years old. Literally, since I was 12 years old, I got started in learning how to build an online business that can grow for months and years to come and pay you a reasonable amount every single day. Without further ado, here are the 3 ways you can make money online pretty simply, pretty easily, regardless of your experience. You don't have to have any previous knowledge. You don't have to be a scientist. And as well, it actually works. The first thing you can do to make money online right now, very, very easily with minimal work, is writing words. Yes, you can write words and make anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 a month. It is called copywriting, which simply put is the artistic and well-written way to write words. And if you can learn this skill, which you can learn about on YouTube completely for free, within a couple days, you can learn the basics of copywriting and find tons of free copywriting jobs with groups with 158,000, 56,000, 3.5 thousand people who are all looking for jobs. You can type in copywriting, copywriting jobs, copywriting freelancing on Google or on Facebook or on LinkedIn or anywhere, and you will find people hiring for copywriting. So just so you know, copywriting and the ability to write words is extremely lazy because all you have to do is literally type on your keyboard and you make money. It really is that simple. And it will actually cost you nothing but your time. No money required. Now, the second fastest way for you to actually make money online is through starting your own business. However, that's usually, you would think, a lot of work, take money, take a lot of time, etc., etc. Unless, number one, you have a coach who's walking you through every single step, which means you can get it done very quickly. And number two, if you have a process to follow, like a proven step-by-step process to follow on how to set up a business, how to get traffic and leads and customers to that business. You want to actually set up your own business and maximize what you can earn online in the most lazy way possible with a mentor walking you through literally every single step. Just go to profitalize.com and click on Start a Business. And for $9, you get your own personal coach and someone to walk you through how to start your own business, which is pretty cool. Secondly, the website you're on right now most likely is YouTube or Rumble, wherever you are watching this. Being able to create content, whether it is your videos that you make or you're using other people's videos and reacting to them, or whether you are using AI to make videos, being able to upload videos to YouTube or Rumble is huge for making money online. Some of the most rich people in the world simply create content on YouTube. It's just making a video and uploading it. And through sponsors, I've been sponsored by a company called school.com, for example. They paid me $4,000 to make 3 videos for them, which is pretty cool. You get paid from monetization directly from YouTube itself, and you can get paid from referring people to product and services in videos as well. So you have 3 ways to make money, which is number 1, literally writing words. And you can do it completely free. It just costs you a tiny bit of time. Number 2, you just get your own personal one-on-one coach and a step-by-step process for $9, which is pretty affordable. Or you can create videos, or not even create videos, use other people's videos and start making money like that too. Any of these methods is going to be extremely affordable, quick, and pretty lazy and pretty easy for you to do. Now, each of these strategies is actually very simple and very quick to implement. You can do it in the next 24 hours, literally. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can make money online, whether you're a beginner, whether you've maybe dabbled or tried a side hustle before, what I recommend you do is go to profitalize.com, where I'll actually teach you how, step by step, for $9. I'll teach you how to start your very own business step by step on how to set up your business, how to drive customers to that business, and how to get it to scale to $100 to a few $1,000 a day in income. I appreciate you so much for watching this video, and please comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because the more you engage with these videos, the more I can make more extremely helpful videos for all of my subscribers. And make sure you subscribe, because what I'm helping you do is going to literally and has the potential to change your life financially and in many other ways as well, if you actually follow my guidance and follow step by step what I walk you through. So my friend, let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. Like it, subscribe, and I will see you in another video very soon. Take care.